Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate your Mini Cooper key fob. This process is for synchronizing an existing key or activating a new one that has already been programmed to your vehicle's VIN. First, gather all the key fobs you intend to activate. Make sure your car's battery is fully charged, then get inside and close all the doors. Next, take the first key you want to activate and insert it into the ignition. Turn the key to the first accessory position, often labeled KLR, which powers up your car's electronics without starting the engine. Immediately turn the key back to the off position and remove it from the ignition, ensuring this entire step is completed within 5 seconds. Now, within 30 seconds of removing the key, press and hold the unlock button on the key fob. While continuously holding the unlock button, quickly press and release the lock button 3 separate times. After the third press, release both the unlock and lock buttons at the exact same moment. This sequence initiates the pairing. If successful, your Mini Cooper's central locking system will cycle, confirming the key fob has been activated. Immediately test the key fob to ensure the lock and unlock functions work correctly. If you have more key fobs to activate, repeat the button press sequence for each additional fob within 30 seconds of the previous one. Finally, turn the ignition back to the first position to complete the entire process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.